life, and everything in between. 10 questions with Smriti Mandana. Hi, Smriti Srinivas Mandana.
Hi.
We would like to start with your journey as a young girl who played in under 15 team and the steps that you climbed to come up to the stage of an open batch women in the Indian cricket team. The ups and downs that you faced.
Actually, to be honest, I was born in a cricketer family. My dad is also a district level cricketer, and my brother too is a district level cricketer. And I was brought and born up by them only, by seeing only them, their cricket and their game. And I was really inspired by their play. Likewise, continuously, I too started playing cricket with them, and then started playing district levels representing Maharashtra, and then ICC World Cups, and finally a World Cup Indian player representing India.
Encouraging. What's that in you to get your heart into cricket?
As I said previously, I was born a complete cricketer family. So everything I have said already, like I was born and brought up only by them. So like everywhere I go, they play cricket. In our village, too, all the boys play cricket, and I was really crazed on cricket. And so side by side, even my parents supported me a lot, including my brother, and my brother was my real coach, in fact. So I like cricket very much.
Great. What are the challenges that you face on the ground as the open bats women because you start the whole match?
Actually, at the beginning, I faced a lot of problems, in fact, like the pitching and humidity of the ground, and the pitch of the ball I could not judge properly because I used to play in the nets and I practiced in that. But even though I faced a little bit problems when playing for one day internationals, T20s, and etc. So after that, with lot of help with my co-players and my coach, I was able to cope up with that.
That sounds good. Who's your favorite partner on the ground and your feeling on the pitch?
Favorite partner? Oh, favorite partner, Jemima Rodriguez. She is the best partner for me. She understands well. Okay, she understands me well. Like at what time I feel I feel tired, at what time I'll be able to play a big shot. So similar to that, she will play. So if she feels like I will be able to play a big shot, she gives me the strike, and she is a very well understanding player, and she will be the best partner for me.
Could you please talk about a moment which is etched in your memory forever?
Unforgettable moment in my life. It's 2019 May ICC matches. In that, I was awarded the best women cricketer. Uh, I really felt very proud, and I think I made even my parents and my brother proud, and by representing the country. And that was my unforgettable moment in my life.
Nice. Okay, now tell us the time when you felt overwhelmed or self-satisfied in your profession as a cricket player.
Actually, 2019, I was the captain of ICC matches versus England. Yeah, in matches. So we know only the person who deserves to be a captain become the captain. So I think I deserved it. So I'm satisfied. At least for 3 times, I was the captain of our Indian team.
Okay, how was it when you were a fresher and how did you cope up with the team that time?
As a fresher, I was very nervous, to be honest. When I entered the dressing room, when seeing all the legends together, I was really nervous. Then my coach actually came next to me and told, "Don't be nervous and all. Actually, this feeling is normal for everyone when they enter the dressing room. Like when all the legends are there in the single room." And then I started playing in the nets. So firstly, I was not able to give my best, in fact. So after that, after very severe practices, I was able to make it.
Hmm. Now the good thing about cricket is that freshers are getting their chance in cricket. They're from small villages, rural places, unknown to the world. So how do you feel about that?
Youngsters are really welcome to Indian team. Anything can be achieved and anything can be done only with hard work. So even me, school days, I used to play 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the evening. So um, as an Indian team, I realized like only youngsters can bring up the team to a very good place. So youngsters are really welcome, and youngsters playing, I feel really great about it.
Great. You actually survived an injury and anterior cruciate ligament rupture during the WBBL. How did you feel that time and how did you recover back to the form?
2019, the match before the World Cup, we were qualified for the finals, and the match before that only, while bowling, in fact, I got ACI in my knees. So the pain I realized is like hell, and I came to know then itself like this is something serious. So as I told, it was a big injury. So nearly 6 months there was a gap between me and cricket, and it was like just mere hell for me without batting, without touching the bat itself is too difficult because daily I used to play, and after 6 months gap I was alright. I was able to run between the wickets, and I was back to form.
Nice. It is also known that you have broke your own record by scoring the fastest 50 for India in Women's 2020 International in just 25 balls. How do you feel about that?
February 2019 it was T20 matches versus New Zealand. I scored 50 of 24 balls, and I feel proud to be the first Indian woman to score the fastest 50. And then consecutive matches I scored 50 of 24 balls, 50 of 25 balls, and of 26 balls. So in fact I was like in the attacking mood on, so that I could score more in T20 matches.
So there you finished with your questions. You're truly inspiring. Thank you for your time.
It was great spending time with you, Gopika, and thank you for all the viewers for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.